always rainy days. It's getting me tired of it. Ooh, yeah, it's getting me tired of this. Oh, I'm so tired. It's making my mind so crazy. It's making me so tired. I'm sick of all this rainy days. Oh, it makes my body so homeless today. Oh, yeah, the sun makes me happy. The rain makes me sad. It's just so complicated. I can't even say, ooh, oh yeah, ooh, oh yeah. My mind is so dizzy. I don't understand. What should I do? The sun makes me happy. The rain makes me crazy. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. My mind's so dizzy. It's making me so crazy. Ooh, I can't understand what to do. It's making me so. Oh, what to do with your mind? The rain make you cry. Yeah, please help me. Please help me. Why does the rain make me cry? Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Why does the rain make me cry? Please subscribe down below to my video. I am Mina's cousin, Anaya. I'm 8 years old and I'm singing this song. It's called The Rainy Days and the Sunny Days. It's like, I don't know why I sing the song. I love singing. So please subscribe and link down below. And you can ask me to make more videos. Bye!